Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to open a free AI-generated website. Whether you're an aspiring content creator or simply want to share your passions with the world, creating a website is a great way to do it. So, let's get started on your journey to creating amazing websites with the power of AI.
The first free AI-generated website is Octopus AI. To start, visit the Octopus website. Octopus provides a free plan. Navigate to the price menu and select Try for free option. A drop customization menu will appear and you can customize your website. Alternatively, return to homepage and type your desired website name, for example business or travel, and the website will generate it. Then customize it accordingly. I have used the word travel as an example in this tutorial. Then click Generate and wait for the AI to automatically generate a website for you. You can click on the Generated menu and customize your website according to your need after the AI has finished generating the website. The AI gives you a Homes tab menu, then different packages you are to offer, then destinations and prices for each category and places. Click on each tab to tailor it to your need and specification, then after you're done, click on the Share button and the website will be live. The second free AI-generated website is WebWave AI. WebWave is a drag and drop website builder. With WebWave, you can create a website no matter your skill level and experience in web design. The drag and drop technology means that you drag elements from the components bank and drop them into the canvas to build a website out of them. It's an approach that allows you to create your website intuitively, even if you have no experience making websites. As you design your website, you already see how it will look. The website builder does the coding automatically. WebWave has many templates to choose from depending on your specification. Click on the template bar and choose one, then customize it. Select your favorite website template and customize every detail to make it your own. You can change element styles and position. You can add or delete elements however you like to suit your needs. You can find the link to the website in this video description. Click on Start on AI and create an account or log in using your Facebook. After logging in, click Start with AI Website tab and write a brief description of your website. Then click Generate and WebWave will begin automatically to create a website, which will take few minutes to complete. After generating, you can customize your website how you want. Like, you can change your headline topics and their styles. You can also change your images and add your own. Finally, when you are done, click Publish and your website will be live. The third free AI-generated website is KLEAP Site Builder AI. KLEAP allows you to get an entire mobile website with images, copy, and product ready to sell in the next 30 seconds. Navigate to the Price menu and select Try for free option. Then click on the Get Started button to begin. KLEAP will ask you to describe your primary use of the website. Describe if you're a student, content creator, NGO, etc. Answer the questionnaire as per your desire and likes. Then choose a style for your website among the different templates provided. Then click on Regenerate to finish. The fourth free AI-generated website is Framer AI. Framer AI also provides a free plan. To start, visit the Framer AI site and navigate to the price icon and select Try for Free button. Then log in by using your Google account or by creating another account. Then start creating your website by explaining the type of website you want to create. You can change the image by clicking on the arrow or move the image by clicking on the hand icon. You can edit your website by changing the theme color or change your image source, or use a generated image to create new images for your website. Then click Publish and your website will be live. The fifth free AI-generated website is Lamp Builder AI. Lamp Builder is one of the best AI website builder. It provides a forever free plan to its users. You can find the link to the website in this video description to visit the Lamp Builder website. It provides a forever free plan to its users. To start, click on the Sign In button and enter your email, or you can sign in by using your Google account. After logging in, start creating your desired website. Enter startup name and provide a brief description to begin generating your website. You can edit your website by changing the theme color or change your image source, or use a generated image to create new images for your website. You can use your own domain or Land Builder domain for free. After finishing, click Publish and your website will be live.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for future uploads and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.